How to fix data not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. Turn on the Cellular Data option as shown. And then, go to Cellular Data options below. Here, go to Voice and Data. As you can see, it is currently set to 5G Auto. When it's set to 5G Auto, it uses 5G only when needed for performance, while optimizing battery life. If you want to change it, select 5G On. When it's set to 5G On, it uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. Now, go back to the General Settings page and tap on Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. Go to the Also Available section below to view the available updates. Then, go back and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, tap on Reset. And then, select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily fix data not working on iPhone.